Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a 62-inch Swisher plow that I'm going to be putting together. So this is going to go onto my Polaris 2020 Sportsman 570. Directions, useless. Alright, so let's hope that I have all my parts. Alright, so when you put this bracket on top, you have to put this underneath. Alright, the next step is to take this 1/2 inch by 3.5 inch bolt, stick it in there. Washer, latch, washer, nut. Alright, your next step is going to be to put this spring in. Make sure this moves really easily. There's a little hole back here, you got to slide that spring in. Alright. Washer nut. All right, looks good. All right, so this 3-inch bolt here goes on top with your nylon nut. So you should have one more 3.5-inch bolt. Gotta go in this back part. I'm not sure if you can see that very good. That's it. And it's pretty freaking heavy. Alright, so now I'm going to connect this arm with the plow. First thing to do is get this 1/2-inch, 2-inch bolt. Put one on each side. Alright, so there is a little bit of a gap. So I'm just going to even both these sides up. So it's an equal gap. Next thing to do is put this block on, 2-inch bolt. washer, block, washer with a nut on the back. So it should look like that. All right, same thing. All right, same thing for the other side. Nut, washer, plate, washer. This is my washer. I guess the one in the kit must have fell out during shipping. All right, so these things are pretty tight. I'd put your glasses on for this. Alright, so this is not the typical Swisher attachment for the ATV. Mine broke because they are junk. So I welded my own thing up. Alright, so all this is a 1/4 inch, 2-inch tubing. I use the same leaf springs. This is a Reese extension. All right, and that's it. Plow is attached. So if you want to turn the blade, pull this back, just put it where you want it. Pretty easy. Alright, thanks for watching. I have a snowstorm coming in a few hours, so I'm going to test this out and update.